What's good, YouTube? And this is Sifu Smo, aka Dion Smo, founder of Smo's Martial Arts, my expression of the martial art. And I am doing a little news brief here, basically of a video a friend of mine in California lives. Right, my friend of mine who works in the National Guard had sent me a very, very disturbing video, and I'm going to show you guys the video. And basically, the video that he taped and filmed to me was a tornado forming out of the sky, forming in to the ground with the wildfires, forming, as you would call it, a Firenado, if you will, right? Now, I don't know about you, and for all you science heads out there, this shit is not natural, right? One, there's no tornadoes ever in California, right? And two, tornadoes do not naturally form with fucking wildfire. You know? So, there's only one other explanation for this shit, right? One word. HAARP. That's right, these tornadoes are being formed by the geo-engineered weapon from the elites in the government. Guys, this video scared the hell out of me, bro, because this didn't even look real. This looked like a scene out of a Hollywood fucking CGI movie from like A Day After Tomorrow or some Independence Day shit. Like, this didn't even look real. Like a tornado, like this. It's like this wildfire in California. You got this tornado blending in with the fire, coming full speed. This shit is not natural, guys. They are fucking with the weather, from tornadoes, the earthquakes, hurricanes. Guys, this year, 2020, is the beginning of the end. Like, this is the signs of the times. So, without further ado, let's check this out. Like, this shit is just crazy. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. My God. Now I'll let you guys be the judge. Was this just a crazy coincidence from Mother Nature? And this tornado just happened to form out of the sky with the wildfires? Or are there other cards in play? Are there other forces involved? Is there other shady shit going on from the elites? Or am I just a crazy conspiracy theorist? You be the judge.